Want to get better at butterfly pull-ups, here are some drills that you should have mastered first. Be able to do 10 solid strict pull-ups. And the reason why I talk about having strict pulling strength first is before you start ripping around the bar, strength is always the price of admission. So let's make sure you have these fundamental strength requirements first. We got the strict pull-up. Able to get a good 20 to 30 second over a bar. Have you been able to master regular kips first with a tight hollow body position for maybe 10, 15 reps. So just how we believe that strength is the price of admission to get the requirements and building the fundamentals first, I believe the same applies when learning the butterfly pull-up. Actually start by pulling yourself through with small circles using your strength to get the pattern first. Do yourself a favor. With the amount of kipping you're going to be doing on the pull-up bar, add in a ton of these every single session, maybe 2 sets of 15 reps to strengthen your rotator cuff, because if you don't have the strength first or the stability in your shoulders are going to be very mad at you. If you want a step-by-step process to get better at butterfly pull-ups, comment down below with the high five and I'll send you the details to our plan for our butterfly pull-up course.